of course, we have some super cold weather coming. It's supposed to get down to 30 tonight, which typically isn't a problem, but plants are starting to wake up and getting those types of freezes after plants start to wake up like this flowers. So I'm just trying to cover up what I can cover up, especially the stuff that was freshly planted. The in-ground bulbs should be fine, but I'm just trying to do what I can. I made sure that the hanging pots were watered in really good, so they'll be okay. I covered up the bucket. That should be fine. Those over there should be fine. And of course, this guy should be fine. Watered in the sphagnum. Made sure they had a good amount of water so that if it did freeze, you know, it'll be nice and moisturized versus freezing dry. But the wind is blowing hard.